y'all. I hope everybody had an amazing Christmas. It does not seem like it's already here, gone, and like we're getting ready to roll on into 2022. But I did want to share our Christmas with you guys. It's just, I don't know. I thought you might enjoy it. If you don't, I'm sorry, but at least I have a video memory that way. Anyway, I also am going to share a recipe with you. I have it already posted on my Instagram because I made the recipe in November, early December maybe. But it is a breakfast casserole that we make every single year. My kids are 14 and almost 16, and I've made this casserole since my son was 3, maybe. So I'll share that with you guys at the end of the video. But I hope you enjoy our Christmas. So the night before Christmas Eve, we went to Charlotte Motor Speedway to go see the Christmas lights. This was courtesy of my Sherwin-Williams rep from my job. He gave us a ticket and it was amazing as usual. We rode all through the light show and checked out the vendors inside, but how stinking cute is this? And I forgot to mention, if you are not local to Charlotte and you've never experienced this, you are missing out. My kids are 14 and 16 and get a thrill out of the fact that you get to ride on the racetrack. What little boy does not want to ride on the racetrack, even if it is just to see Christmas lights? So Christmas Eve came around and it was a little different for us this year. We went to candlelight service and come home and got everything ready for the kids. Typically we would always go to my mom and dad's house, but my dad passed away Christmas Day of 2020 and my mom lives with us now, so we had to start a whole new tradition, but that's okay. Then Christmas morning we made our typical, like usual Christmas casserole that I will show y'all at the end of this video. And then my kids had an amazing Christmas, and I'm going to insert some footage of my son and his outrageous facial expressions.
It's smooth, so I'm thinking it's something
Look at
nice.
it. What is it? What is it?
What I've been asking for.
What?
Oh, no, not starter.
New earbuds.
New earbuds.
Dude, mine are literally quite literally.
Don't look at hers.
I'm trying to keep it sane.
Go.
Tell me when she's got it through so I can like.
She's opened hers.
It's white.
The box is.
A box of candy.
You ready? You ready?
A box of
You
chocolates.
ready? Apple Watch. I was literally playing on one of these in Target.
I know.
Oh, dude.
I'm about to say I have one. A huge TV. How big is that one?
40 or 43.
Is it bigger than mine?
When you got
It's the size of the one that's in my bedroom.
Ooh, your TV bigger than mine.
Isn't that what you wanted?
I make you say. Oh, Taylor got a cricket.
Let me see, Tay.
I got TV to watch cricket on. I don't know what cricket is.
As you can see, my kids thoroughly enjoyed Christmas morning. Justin, by the look on his face, you can tell he was super excited to get his gifts as well. But all in all, everybody had a fabulous Christmas. It was different for all of us, but family is what made it important. We went to see my grandma. We went to see the kids' grandparents on, or great-grandparents on their dad's side. Then we came back home and had a Christmas night dinner with more family. And it was so much fun. But now let's get into that Christmas morning casserole I promised y'all. You want to start out with this casserole by browning up a pound of breakfast sausage. You can use any kind you like, hot, mild, whatever. I use Nice's, the regular sausage, and then drain it and set it to the side. And then you want to get a can of Grands Biscuits. I have the honey butter flavor. Cut all of the biscuits into 4s or 8s, whatever you like, whatever fits in your casserole dish. And then set that to the side. In a separate bowl, you want to mix together about 6 eggs and I just eyeball how much milk I put in there. I don't actually measure it, and then I salt and pepper it and whisk it together, and now we're ready to assemble the casserole. In a greased baking dish, you want to layer your biscuit pieces in the bottom, pour over all of your sausage into a smooth layer, and then you want to pour over your egg and milk mixture, and then top that with your favorite kind of shredded cheese. I prefer Colby Jack. You can do cheddar, do whatever you like. And then we're going to pop it in the oven, and it's going to bake at 350 for about 35 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven. Once it's done, pull it out, let it cool off, and then it's ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed our Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope you'll continue following me into the new year. Bye, y'all.